Behind it, truck racing. If you're interested in taking part, it's surprisingly affordable. It's well worth talking to our drivers in the paddock because
get a video of this, right?
Pick up a base truck around £10,000, run it for the season for £15,000, which, given the scale of these vehicles, is really very impressive. It's a very, very friendly paddock. It's a great way of going racing, and it's very, very spectacular machinery as well. Particularly, you see Matt Summerfield in full fight. The pace of these trucks as well is actually astonishing. Matt, one of the smoothest drivers in the field, very, very exciting. In the way of Stuart Oliver, who was a non-stop British truck racing champion, almost broke the truck.
How fun driving them!
Approach, sliding the truck, being as smooth